Hi, today we are dealing with the topic of tumors. This is for all the third year BDS students, where tumor is a major topic for oral pathology, your exams, as well as in your vivas, your future, in your final years, oral medicine, oral surgery too. Okay, now at this stage, tumor must be. It's really a vast topic. There are many tumors, there are many neoplasms, there are many confusing terminologies, and this can feel daunting. So you have to initially know this nomenclature, what a tumor actually is, and so that there is no confusion later on. Yeah. So let's start with the simple meaning of tumor. What a tumor actually is. A tumor is nothing but a swelling or a bulge. A swelling or a bulge caused by an abnormal mass of tissue. Now, this word abnormal here is very important. It is not just any swelling or bulge, it is caused by an abnormal mass of tissue. Okay, now abnormal meaning it is dysregulated, the growth is excessive even after the removal of the stimulus and all that kind of thing that you have learnt in your second year and all that. Okay, now simple, do you understand? Swelling, it's a swelling or a bulge caused by an abnormal mass of tissue. Now, your pimples, your abscesses, your boils are also swelling, but they are not abnormal in nature. The growth is not excessive and abnormal. Okay, that is what you need to remember. Now, coming to the next thing is the nomenclature and classification. Now, the better you understand these terminologies, the easier it is and the less confused you will be. Okay, so you have your benign tumors, you have malignant tumors, you have cancers, carcinomas, sarcomas, lymphomas, and leukemias. Now, uh, we also use the word neoplasm or neoplasia which is the more common term in medical terminology, and it is used interchangeably with the term tumor. Now, coming to benign neoplasm or benign tumors, you all know that these are harmless, slow growing. Most of them are innoxious, harmless, slow growing, localized. They do not metastasize, and the general treatment is by surgical excision or enucleation. Now, the suffix oma is added to indicate the tumor, that it is a benign tumor. Now, look at this: papilloma, fibroma, it's a tumor of the fibrous tissue. Lipoma, oma is a tumor, benign tumor of the lipid tissue, fat tissue. Coming to malignant tumors, they are invasive, metastasizing, they are destructive, fatal, they have very poor prognosis, and chemotherapy, radiotherapy is usually advised along with surgical resection, or depends what the case demands. Next you have is cancers. We call a tumor cancer when specifically histologically, this word here is important, histologically the cells must show signs of malignant transformation. What are the signs that you see histologically? You see anaplasia, local invasion, distant metastasis. These are the characteristics hallmark. These are the characteristic hallmarks of cancer. Okay. Next, you have carcinoma. Carcinoma is also a malignant neoplasm. It is a malignant neoplasm. This is also malignant neoplasm. Carcinoma is a malignant neoplasm of epithelial cells. Okay. Whereas a sarcoma is a malignant neoplasm of mesenchymal cells or mesenchymal tissues. Okay. Now, which are your epithelial cells or epithelial tissues? Your squamous cell, your basal cells, your melanomas, melanocytes, keratocytes. These are all your epithelial cells, and the carcinomas or malignant neoplasms of these cells are called as carcinomas. Squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, malignant melanoma. Okay. Now coming to sarcomas, these are malignant neoplasm of mesenchymal tissue. Okay. Mesenchymal tissues are your connective tissue, cartilage, bone, fat, muscle, nerves. Okay. And these are called as fibrosarcoma, osteosarcoma. Got it? Now, this next group, your lymphomas and leukemias, these are malignant neoplasms of non-solid. These are also mesenchymal tissues, but these are non-solid mesenchymal tissues. Whereas your sarcoma is solid mesenchymal tissues. Okay, now if you compare the differences, now look at blood and lymph. These are not solid, these are liquid. Okay, both are mesenchymal malignant neoplasms, but this is sarcomas are solid, like bone, fat, cartilage is all solid tissue. whereas blood and lymph are non-solid mesenchymal tissues. Okay, so your lymphoma examples, your Hodgkin's lymphoma, Burkitt's lymphoma, and your leukemias. Leukemias are dealt separately in a different chapter. They do not come under the chapter of tumors, but they are definitely neoplasms. Okay, so your leukemias are your acute myeloid leukemia, your chronic myeloid leukemia, and all of these. Okay, now this is about your nomenclature. Understand this well, study this well, remember this well, and the classification we'll deal with in the next video. And I would like to say to all the BDS dental students out there who are watching this video, don't panic. Yes, you're away from college. Yes, you will have your exams eventually, and you will have to prepare for it. So here I am. I'll make some videos of difficult topics, vast topics, and upload them from time to time for you to be able to learn it better. So study well, and I hope you like this video. And if you have any questions, you can always WhatsApp me, call me, or leave comments in the section below. See you. Study well and don't panic.